In today's video, I will quickly show you how to adjust photos to make them all uniform with the same size, and to do this I will use the free platform Canva. Let's start by creating a new design in the top left corner. Select custom size and choose the size that suits your needs. I will choose 250 by 250 pixels to ensure all the images are in a square format. Click on create new design, and after that choose an image to import into Canva. In this example, I will choose the animal number 1 from the project, which is the meerkats. For example, I will select this one and simply copy and paste it into Canva. Now adjust the image so it fits the entire canvas. Click on share in the top right corner, then select download and choose the desired format. I will choose PNG in this example. Finally, just place all the images inside a folder and give it a name, as I did in this example that you can see on the screen. That's all for today. The next video will be very interesting because we will use JavaScript to automatically manipulate various elements, such as the photos of the animals, their conservation status, and more.